In this tutorial I will show you how to download and install ChatGPT 4 on your PC or laptop. First open your web browser. And you want to search it in Google. And open the first link. Click on Download for Windows. And proceed with the installation. Go to the desktop and create folder. You can name what tour you want. Inside that folder, create a new folder. Then tap here and type CMD. And type this line here and hit enter. Then go again into the web browser and search for GPT for all. Open the second result. And here select Windows. Next you want to run the installer for this GPT for all. After you install it, run the GPT for all shortcut that are created on your desktop. It will prompt you with different models that have different sizes. You can select any of these that you think will be the best for you and click on the download button. Now you will have to wait a couple of minutes or a couple of hours until it downloads. Once your GPT-4 model downloads, you can exit this page and then open the. You have now successfully installed ChatGPT for PC. You can start using it now and you can ask it anything you want.